Hello everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to be going over something that's super important for me and something that's a new feature that I'm really looking forward to testing out more and using more is Restream.io's ability to stream to both Twitch and LinkedIn. They've added a lot of features with LinkedIn. You've known Restream for years, being able to stream to Twitch, YouTube, they added Mixer, they added Facebook, they added all of these different platforms, right? But now with the evolution, if you will, of LinkedIn Live, that is now an option. And as you guys know, my absolute use of both programs and really utilizing all of these platforms to my fullest, or the fullest, if you will, and being able to now stream to both LinkedIn and Twitch is a really cool thing, especially for my audience personally and what I'm looking to do with the platforms moving forward. And now that they added the chat feature, you can really do some amazing things and have a lot of fun with these programs. So I'm going to go through how I'm doing this, what is happening, and really quickly just go over how it's done. So if you log into Restream, I already have my LinkedIn and my Twitch set up. So all you really have to do is just connect your accounts to it. You can update titles and stuff if you want to as well. I have just some past stream titles in here as well, but you can go through, you can change a whole bunch of settings. But right now I just want to go through how you set it up and really it's quite simple. I'm going to be showing you how to set it up through Restream.io through Streamlabs OBS. So I'm going to copy the URL, although the beautiful part is that Streamlabs offers this naturally within its settings. So I can go to the stream, I can go to the service, Restream.io, it's already gonna work, it's already gonna do it, it's gonna auto detect the server. So that just makes it really easy. Then all you have to do in addition is just copy the stream key. Now I'm going to blur this out as best as I can so you guys don't use mine or anything like that, but really it's just that simple. And if I click here and I'm going to actually just turn off both of these services because I'm not live streaming right now, this is absolutely just a video tutorial, and I hit go live, it should start up. It's gonna start the stream, and immediately you're gonna be able to see this pop up on this screen. And you can see the bit rate, you can see the resolution, and there I am. So the beautiful part about this is that obviously if I toggle these on, you're gonna see these populate on other platforms, which is gonna be really cool and really effective. But this is a really quick way to use Restream.io for LinkedIn and with all of the new features. So for me personally, I'm going to be doing a lot of Twitch and LinkedIn live streaming together. You can go in the chat and download different chat things and open it up in different ways. You can say hey, and it's gonna work really cool. It's connecting to the channels. It's not gonna work because I'm not technically connected to any channels, but the chat now works for LinkedIn as well, and it's super cool. It shows, you can customize it. There's different ways that you can make it look, and it'll show each platform and what platform is doing the talking at each time, and it's really just a cool way to go through. And there's always new things added to Restream's dashboard and new analytics and new other things that you can do. There's a webcam feature which you can make your own overlays if you don't want to use Streamlabs OBS. You can just connect everything to Restream and it'll do all the work for you. But this is how I do it with Streamlabs OBS. If you'd like more tutorials on how to do it with other programs, please let me know. But I think this is a really good option for multi-platform streaming, and it's what I've used for years. And now that they've included LinkedIn and have the chat working for LinkedIn, I know I'm going to be using this a lot more. So I hope this helps. Let me know what tutorials you guys would like to see in the future. Let me know how you utilize something like this. And until next time, I'll see you on the internet.